My name is Jeff Bessela. I'm the Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Softing Incorporated, North America. Well, we do a lot of things, but most of them are around the communications in Ethernet testing and PLC communications. Well, I'd like to talk about tManager specifically. This is a device, as you can see, it fits in the Rockwell chassis for the 56, and it's a device that allows them to communicate from the OT floor into the IT network or the ERP. So if you need to communicate from a PLC and get information to do some analytics, what have you, you use this device to do it. And the advantage is you see other programs out there that take 2 weeks of programming or software programming, and then you might have a bump in the night anyway and you still got to go out to the plant and fix it. With this device, once you set it up, you set it and forget it, and it just keeps working away and never stops. First of all, it's bidirectional, so you can send information from that PLC up to the ERP, and you can send recipes back down, for example. It does track and trace, does store and forward, so if you have a power outage, it continues to hold the data until the power comes back up and then transfers the data. So it gives you a reliable method to bridge that gap between OT and IT and get your information where you need it so you can actually use it. Everybody from the plant manager on down to the technician on the floor needs to know things to either diagnose a problem, make sure that they're operating at an optimized level, and just making sure that they're producing things at the least cost possible so they make money. Because you can set it up so easily, you can have this up and running in 10 minutes, okay? And it's a simple pull the tags, give them a destination and back. A second grader could almost do it. Well, it's pretty simple actually. Like I told you, it sits in a Rockwell chassis in a 56 and it communicates over the back plane. So you have zero firewall issues, you're behind it. It's very secure within the Rockwell system, so you don't have to worry about data breaches, etc. Well, this one is specific to the Rockwell chassis, so for the back plane. We also make a Compact Logix version, but basically does the same thing, and it communicates via Ethernet ports on the front. We also have one that's an IPC-based model, so that if you want to talk to other things, for example, you have no room in the rack, you can do a DIN rail mount, and you can communicate to competitive PLCs as well.